So you can see right here in one of the Facebook messages I received recently from a subscriber, up 3 more sales, almost too easy. You can see this other person, thanks a million, just the 3rd day of applying the video training and already made 2 sales. And what I'm gonna do inside this video is literally reveal a simple beginner-friendly Clickbank method you can use to start to make commissions in as little as 10 minutes a day. Now this method is totally free, it's totally simple, and you don't even need a following online. So if you're excited to learn this incredibly simple step-by-step method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so for this method, we're gonna actually use Clickbank to find a product. Now, Clickbank is actually not my favorite place to find a product. I'll include a link directly below to my #1 affiliate program to join and promote that pays you instant 100% commissions. But in this video, we're gonna be using Clickbank, okay? So just go to Clickbank. If you don't have an account, you just click start here and you go through this simple process. You answer these little questions right here, and in a few minutes, you should get approved to log in. Now, once you log into your back office, you want to go and click the tab under Marketplace, and that's going to list all these different categories of products you can choose to promote. There's betting systems, cooking, food and wine, e-business, e-marketing. But for the sake of this video, if you just want to copy me, we're going to click health and fitness. But this method really does work in whatever niche you want to go into. So we want to sort results on Clickbank by gravity. Okay, now we always want to do that because gravity is going to share with us the highest, best selling products at the very top of the page. So you can see the gravity score is 826. That means on average about 826 other affiliates were able to make a sale within the last week or so. So this is really selling well. So we're just going to use this top one for the sake of this video. Now to get your affiliate link on Clickbank, you just click this blue promote button and you click create hop link. Now we want to copy that right there. And I usually like to put it in a notepad file because we're going to use this a little bit later in this powerful method, as you'll see in just a second. So the next step is we want to actually click here. We want to open up, this is the sales page. So this is what it looks like. This is what people are going to ultimately go to. And if they click order now, or if they go down here and they choose one of these, this is actually a weight loss supplement, they will buy through this button. And because it's through our affiliate link, we will get credit for that sale and we will start to make commissions and money. The next step we want to do is often with different marketing methods online, you can't just direct link to this affiliate page because they don't like affiliate links on a lot of different platforms. So what we're going to do is do a workaround and create a very simple free landing page. So you just want to go to Google and you want to search Google Sites. Now this is going to take you to this top link here. You want to click that and that's going to take you to a tool called Google Sites. Now Google actually has its own website creation, section right here, and we can click on blank to start to create our own Google site. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make a very compelling clickbaity type title to get people's attention. Now you don't have to come up with this yourself. Often if you just go to the sales page and you kind of look over it, they'll have like a headline. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so it's not letting me actually copy it, but I can just type that in. Okay, so scientists discover the real root. Okay, scientists cause of your belly fat. Okay, the root cause of your belly fat. Okay, so that's pretty good. So that's an eye-catching, most people who want to lose weight are going to be interested in what's the real root cause. You can also make this, like this, so it's not so tall. Okay, you can make it more like that. You can also edit the size. Okay, so if you want to make this a little bit smaller, you could just highlight there, go there, and then, boom, right? Or maybe even a little bit smaller. You just want to play around with it so it looks pretty good. You can actually just leave it like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Now the next thing is text box. Okay, I like to click there and add a text box here so I can say, see the shocking results this supplement had in the image below. And I can go ahead and double click this and I can go, make this a little bit bigger, center this. Okay, now you want to make this your own. Again, if this is in a different niche, you could say, see the shocking results this training had in the image below. Okay, something like that. Again, model the structure. You don't have to copy exactly if you're in a different niche, of course. You just want to click images now. And what we want to do is we want to actually add an image under this right here. Now you can click upload, but first we have to actually download an image, whether you're on a phone or you're on a computer. Now the image that works best with this powerful method is a before and after type result. Okay, so sharing results, people are very skeptical online. So because this is a belly fat, we can do one of two things. We can either go to the sales page and we can look over to see, do they have a before and after photo on the sales page? Now this actually doesn't, but not to worry. We can actually just go to Google Images and we can search in before and after weight loss or before and after muscle building or whatever your niche is. Okay, now if it's more like money making, you can just type in, results or money making results. You don't have to do before and after for money, but for the weight loss, it works incredibly well. So now that we're here, we just want to find a compelling photo, a photo that's really good before and after. This one is pretty darn good. Okay, you can see there's a drastic difference. And what we want to do is just copy and download this to our computer or our phone, wherever we're doing this. So let me do that right now. Okay, so I've done that. I've downloaded it. The next thing is we want to click images and we want to click upload and then upload that image that we just downloaded. So let me do that right now. Okay, you can see it downloaded here. Now I can make this a little bit bigger just by, dragging and dropping. This method is incredibly simple. I can make it centered. Okay, so now we have this compelling headline. See the shocking results this supplement had in the image below. We have a shocking result-based image. And now what we want to do is we want to actually put in a button. Okay, so we just click button. Now you can name this. This is the name that will show up. So we want to say a call to action. So I can say, click here to discover this shockingly simple way to lose weight fast. Okay, something like that. Again, make it your own, make it tailored to your niche. But now we want to open the notepad and we want to take our affiliate link and we want to put it in right there. Okay, and just click insert. Now we want to drag this so it shows the entire text, and we can make it centered. You can also, if you want to change, okay, like that, you can change the color. Typically, I like to do there. And you just want to, again, center it like that. And now that's looking pretty darn good. So the last step with this landing page is we just want to click publish. Okay, and you can name it something. I can say, weight loss supplement, okay, something like that. Now, if it's already taken, I can just do the date. Okay, so for example, 23, okay, and then just publish. So now that that's publishing, the next step is we want to view it and we want to go to the top and we want to copy this link. Okay, so we can see what it looks like right here. And again, when someone clicks this button, it's going to go to our affiliate link, as you can see right there. Okay, so now we can actually promote this Google Sites link because Google has a well reputation when it comes to these different platforms. So we can send people directly to the Google Sites and then lead them to our affiliate link. So now just go ahead and replace this link with our Google Sites link. And now I want to share with you an incredibly simple way to start to get free traffic that I have not shared on this channel before. And that is using the power of Tumblr. Okay, a lot of people sleep on Tumblr. They don't realize the power, but if you go to tumblr.com, and the links are going to be in the description below, you just click sign up and you just go ahead, you put your email, a password, and you click sign up. And once you're in your dashboard, okay, what you can literally do is you can post photos and then have links leading to our landing page. Okay, so let me share with you how this would work. So now I can go to photo, and for the first photo, I can literally use the same one I used on the landing page. So let me go ahead and click here and upload that image right now. Okay, so you can see that image is right there. Now for the caption, this is where we want to start to put in a call to action. Okay, so we want to tell people, do you want to discover the easiest and fastest way to lose weight? Click here. And then so we pique their interest and then we tell them to click here, and then we literally just go ahead and copy this Google Sites link and we just paste it in just like that. Now, before you post, okay, you want to go to tags and you want to put in some hashtags that have to do with the niche. So this can start ranking for these specific keywords so people will discover our post even more. So I can do weight loss, I can do, and if you actually type in a few words or a few letters, okay, sometimes it'll actually drop down, but weight loss tips, weight loss advice, easiest way to lose weight, and make sure the words are together. Okay, and then once you do that, once you have the image, you have the call to action with the link and the hashtags to make it rank, we just click post and you can see that it actually will post. I can go to my profile and I can see my posts. Okay, and this latest one just posted right there. So let me break this down. What happens is people will go to Tumblr, they will search these different keywords like weight loss tips. When they search that, this will show up. Now this photo is very eye-catching, very attention grabbing. They'll read this. Do you want to discover the easiest way to lose weight? Click here. They're going to be interested, of course. They'll click there. They'll get taken to our landing page, which is safe for Tumblr. This is going to pique their interest. This image again, and then they click that button. They get taken to the affiliate link, which is coded to you. And when they go to buy, they'll read over it because it's high converting. A lot of people decide to buy. When they buy through this button, you'll get credit and you'll start to make money. Now, before you go, I highly recommend you don't stop at just one, okay? The more you post, the better. It's a numbers game. Some of these are going to get a lot of views. Some of them aren't going to get that many. You want to do at least one a day. It takes just a few minutes. And just go back to Google and find more images, okay? There's endless images you can use, and you can really scale this up to make a ton of money. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful Clickbank for Beginners strategy. Again, though, my #1 recommended affiliate program to actually promote instead of Clickbank is going to be down below. Pays you 100% instant commissions, unlike Clickbank where you have to wait up to 2 weeks sometimes to receive the money. But until next time, my friend, if you got value, click the like button again to let me know. Subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And until next time, I will see you on my next training.